Shop Talk. We're looking at a chainsaw I have for sale on Craigslist, and if you are interested in it, you can go on Craigslist, go to Oregon, and go to the town of Roseburg, and punch in Husqvarna chainsaw, and you'll see this saw pop up if it's still for sale when you see this video. We're going to go over some of the features it has. Kill switch is on the left, choke is on the right. Has a decompression valve on the side over here to make the saw easier to start. Push in the blue button. Every time you start this saw, it makes it a lot easier. Working chain brake. 2 falling spikes. Got the wrap handlebar, always a great feature. 24-inch bar, and that's a used bar, and a new 3/8 pitch chain. These saws are very smooth. It has the vibration isolation motor mounts. The side load on the gas and oil reservoir. Heavy duty filter. Easy access. Pop the clips. And here's that heavy duty filter. If you're looking for a very nice Husqvarna chainsaw to do your firewood cutting, timber falling, here's a nice one.